Hello dear friend, in today's OBS Studio tutorial, we will learn how to create scene, how to add audio sources and video sources, our screen, our desktop, how to add our screen and desktop, then record in OBS Studio. We will cover all the best settings, how to set up for the best and the crispy quality inside OBS Studio, dear friend. If you want to record your audio, video, screen, and you want to add your webcam inside OBS Studio, you are at the right place today, dear friend. We will cover all the parts in detail today, dear friend. All steps are very important. Don't miss any step in this video. If you listen this video till the end without skipping any part of the video, you don't need to see any other video on YouTube, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Without wasting time, let's jump into our desktop inside OBS Studio to see all the settings etc in the updated version of OBS Studio. First time when you open your OBS Studio, you will find this, like you see file here, all type of files, show recording, and these are advanced. You can go to our playlist and see what's the remix audio settings. Here you see edit, transform, view. You can reset the view UI dock. You can change the OBS Studio's look here, profiles here, and new profile. You can add profile here, scene collection here. For advanced, you can add new scene here, tools, all type of tool, script, output, timers, etc. And here help, you can learn about help portal, visit website here, and all type of craze reports, etc. log files you can find here. Okay, and what's new you can check here. Now first, when you open OBS Studio, you have to come here to start recording. For recording, you have to create a scene. So recording scene, we just type here, we want to record a new scene. We just type here OBS, you see scene 2. I rename here OBS trial record. Trial record, we have renamed the scene. It's a better way to rename the scene here. So you see our scene is blank, we are not capturing screen here. For this you have to come here to add all the resources etc. For this we have to come here, you see OBS trial record, we just click here. You can click anywhere. You see I have already other scene here. So we come here to our new scene, OBS trial record, and it's a vacant no. So we will add scene here. No, we just add scene here. First we come here, add, we want to add our screen with display because we want to capture display. So we come here, you see display capture. Read carefully, display capture. Okay, you can rename the display. We just leave this just like display capture 2. Okay, here you can see capture method automatic. We will not the display, select a display. You can select display here. I want to select my Dell display 4K. Okay, no, everything is okay. Now you can see we have selected display so easily. Hello dear friend, if this video is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by liking the video, writing a comment, subscribing the channel, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This obvious tutorial may be very useful to them, dear friend. I am very much tired, demotivated nowadays. Motivate me, dear friend. Consider me, favor me, dear friend. Now we have to add audio resource. Means we have to add microphone. Just click here, add in microphone. Just you see audio input capture, audio output. If you want, you can add output capture, but we don't require for recording. We need audio input capture through which we will record our sound. So just click here audio input. You can rename here. We just leave this on default audio input capture 3. Okay, now we just click here default. You see here in default, just click here, we have a microphone. If you have already microphone on your computer already inserted, you will get here. You see I have, this is the dedicated microphone, Yeti Studio microphone. We just click here,
add. So we have added, but after this we have to add some filter so that we can get a crispy good sound, very professional sound. For this you have to just come here, just select. When it is selected, come to filter here. You see here filter, just click on filter. No, it's a vacant. We will add the filters here, means we will add all type of effects to make our video very crispy and very professional. So you see here 3 band equalizer, it will equalize our band. It's a very important. Just click here. No, you can see no high, mid, low, and you can just try a little bit, not too much. Here I always put in default, but you can try and listen which is a perfect for you. For me, this is the default is a perfect. We just leave this, but anytime you can try mid, you can try like in this way. You can increase little bit and it will give you the good sound. Okay, we just put on default here. Okay, 0, and with this put on default. Okay, now we add something new, compressor. Actually it will compress our sound. When our sound will be very high, it will compress. Just click here. Okay, and now here you can see these are our default. Actually the default is the best, but when you are not satisfied with the quality of your sound, you can change, but not too much. Little bit you can change and you can see what's the effect. For example, I just little bit change. Okay, here I change, I increase little bit here. In this way you can try. Okay, this is okay for me. Attack will be okay. Release, everything we done touch. Okay, and now we come here to add here expander. Expander means when your sound is very low, somewhere you speak very loudly, somewhere you speak when you are tired, you speak very low, and it will expand your sound. Okay, these are our default settings. Actually I don't disturb these settings. These are the best possible setting, but you can try yourself, because I don't know your sound, what's your microphone, you are far from microphone, etc, the surrounding of your house I don't know. So try one by one, otherwise keep it on default. Okay, now we come here to gain. Gain is very important. Here you can increase little bit, not too much. This is actually good, but you can try here. Okay, one is okay for me. Now we come here to add something other. Invert polarity we will not add. When you add invert polarity, it will echo your sound, make very bad. So I have bad experience with this effect. I will not add. A limiter I will add, because it will limit our sound. When our sound will be very high, it will try to limit. After that we come here to noise gate, and noise gate is very important. This close threshold, open threshold, attack time, hold time, release time, these are very advanced setting. So we put this on default. If you have some experience, you can try a little bit, not too much, and listen your voice after changing something. It's okay. If we have noise, echo, and some problem in noise, it will try to give the good quality, the best possible quality. Okay, after that we come here to noise suppression. It will suppress very high noise. For this we have two settings. You see here, if your CPU is not good, low end computer, so you just try this. Speaks low CPU usage, low quality. I use this. RA noise, good quality, more CPU usage. Okay, everything is okay. We have added noise compressor, and we add this upward compressor. When our sound will be up, it will try to compress the upward sound, and this is actually default setting. You can try a little bit, not too much, if you want to change. And after changing anything, just record and listen and again change. I will put this on default, and if you have VST plugin here, actually I don't require this. Okay, now we close. So we have set up here sound, everything is okay here. Now we can record anytime, but before recording we come here for setting. Just in setting, if you want to use OBS Studio for recording, come here. This is the general settings. We actually don't change. We have already several tutorial. Go to the playlist and see in detail. We come here for output setting for recording. It's a very important. We keep this on a standard recording. You can designate the path here. I have already path from here. You can select okay, cancel. I have already assigned the path. And if you want to generate file name without space, you can click here. We don't require. And recording format, MKV is the best format because when you will lose the electricity, if you have any problem in computer, your computer will stop. It will keep your recorded parts of your video. Otherwise, you will lose. So I always use MKV. You can try a hybrid MP4 beta. It's in beta. It will also work like same like MKV, but it's a MP4 hybrid beta, and it will not lose even after losing your electricity or problem in your computer. This is now beta. I have tried this, also works fine, but I will try MKV. Okay, and now come here. Video encoder is very important. Here in encoder, if you have dedicated GPU, try from here. I will use this NVIDIA Nevenk H264. If you have AMD or other, you will get here and just click here. Just I will take this NVIDIA Nevenk H264. Okay, this is also good, but I always use this. Okay, after that, track 1, we are using track 1. We will not change here anything. Okay, no, encoder setting is very important here. We will use constant QP. You can use vibrate, bitrate, but constant QP is good. And here constant QP 20. You can change something from here. You see here 18, but I use this on 20 for the best quality. And preset will be here good, slow, and good quality. You can change the quality here. Fastest, faster, fast, low quality. Try one by one. I use this slow, good quality. Tuning will be always high to pass quarter resolution. It's okay for me. You can use full resolution. No, I will not use. Profile will be high. Here, B frames will be 2. Everything is okay. And now we can apply. Before applying, we come here to audio. In audio bitrate, I use 160. This is the default I use. This is the best quality. After that, we come to audio. In audio general, we use this 48 hertz. It's a good. In you can try a 44. The size of file will be less, a little bit less, but it's also good. But I use 48 for the best quality. Here global audio devices, I don't use this. Meters, it's okay. Peak meter type, simple peak. We don't touch this anything advanced. These are advanced, we don't need actually. After that, we come here video resolution. If you want to use HD video, just click here. I use 4K. And FPS, from here you can change FPS. I use always 30 FPS. For me it's a good. And from here you can change hotkey etc. Go to our playlist and see how to change hotkey in OBS Studio. The video will be longer, dear friends, so I will not touch this. And everything is okay. In advance, it's a very important. Here you can take above normal, below normal, above normal, below normal. I use always high, general, and render. This is good default. Color space you can change from here. I use rec 709 is the best for me. And color space limited, full. I use limited here, and you can try full. Full is also good, but limited is good. Very stable. SDR white level, we don't touch this anything. Recording, we don't touch. Okay, everything is okay now, and we just apply. Just click here, apply. Okay, now we have completely set up our OBS Studio, and now we can record and see the quality here. We record here. Hello dear friend, there is an update for OBS Studio. Now the new version of OBS Studio is available. Try dear friend. And after this update, the performance of OBS Studio will be very stable. So once you record this, you can see here. From here you can pause recording. Otherwise we have hotkey settings. There you can set up hotkey and pause and unpause recording. So I have unpause. Anytime I can unpause here. Just click here. Okay, now I have unpaused recording. Now I am again recording. Once it's recorded, no, just stop here. Okay, now come here. You see file here first. In file, show recording. Now we have recording here. You can see here. Dear friend, there is an update for OBS Studio. Now the new version of OBS Studio is available. Try dear friend. And update, after this update, the performance of OBS Studio will be very stable. So once you record this, you can see here. From here you can pause it. Okay, now I have unpaused recording. Now I am again recording. Once it's recorded, no, just stop here. Dear friend, there is an update for. So you can see the whole just after using some settings and how is the quality of OBS recording. OBS Studio provides the best quality and the crispy quality, very good for professional video and audio production. And now let's see how we can add our camera resource. Actually, I use my mobile camera for recording my video in OBS Studio. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can see I don't use any costly DSLR camera, dear friend. I'm not very rich YouTuber. If you want to learn how to connect camera of our mobile to OBS Studio, go to the playlist and see. We will add our video resource and record our video inside OBS Studio. For recording, we just come here. You can see here add, no add. We want to record our video, so we just click here. You see here video capture device. You can see all type of devices are available here, and we just click here video capture device here. Okay, you can rename the device name. We just put on default here. Okay, and now you can see here automatically it has selected, and you can select. You see we have several camera here, a Droid cam, IV I use IV which I connect through mobile. IV is the software. IV Droid cam and Irian webcam. I use these three for my various purposes to connect the camera of mobile to OBS Studio. IV provides the best quality, but it's resource hungry. Mobile become very hot. So sometimes I use this Droid cam. It's a very lightweight. Okay. Now I have connected through IV software the camera of my mobile to OBS Studio. Okay. Now you can see here everything is okay. Now we can actually add here crop etc. Just click filter here, add filter. You see video capture, and you can anytime go to filter here. Now actually you can see this room. I want to crop this side is not professional looking, so we can crop. We can add effects here. You see there are various effects. You can add color correction, color pay etc. You can see add color correction here. You can just in OBS Studio correct the color, make very professional. You can see add effect etc from here. Okay, I don't want to use this. Anytime you can delete this effect. You see remove here, just click here. Anytime you can delete, just remove, delete key shortcut, and I have removed. We want to crop this side. For cropping, just come here, click here crop pad. Okay, once it's okay, now we can crop. We just type the number 400. See we have cropped here, and I want to crop top. I just type 100. It has crop. And right side I want to crop right side here. I type 500. You will understand once you start cropping how much you want to type. Just type 600. It's not okay, so I can type here 800. You see 800. Otherwise I can type 900. It's okay. From here you can crop step by step. You see 4 5 6. You can just click here and you will crop very precisely here. Okay, it takes time, so I type very fast here 980. If I want to type here 1000. Okay, so you can see here I have already cropped my video to make it talking head video for our OBS Studio recording. We just click here and we can put anytime anywhere. You see here from here anywhere, just click and make it smaller. You see I am making it smaller, and I can put anywhere. For example, I want to put here. You see talking head video at the front of here our video. So you see I have made this talking head video. Now you can actually lock here. You see lock. If you want to unhide from recording your talking head video, just click here. I have unhidden. I can start recording here. Okay, in this way you can try, dear friend. We have ultimately added a video here. We want to unlock here. We want to lock here. Everything is locked. You see we have locked here. You must lock, because if you change anything it will be distorted, moved to any parts. So I always lock this. I lock. Everything is locked now. Now I can actually record in this OBS Studio. So dear friend, we have updated OBS Studio, and we learned how to add audio resource, display captures, video resource, and the settings, the best possible setting for our OBS recording, and this scene, how to add scene, how you can lock, how you can crop the video. Apply all these in your video production while recording, dear friend. Record in OBS Studio. Write me after this class how's your experience, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.